today we're gonna talk about 1947 Stude Baker, and we had an issue with the brakes. So it was sitting for a while and the brakes were not working. So I have to remove the master cylinder and pretty much clean it. I'm gonna put a picture of that in this part over here of the video. You can see that how rusty it was. So all I did is get some sandpaper, so just fine sandpaper, clean it real good, wash it with water, then put it back together and put it on the truck, and then bleed the brakes. That's pretty much what I did. This system pretty much works the same as the new cars, except the new cars now have more ABS, all the sensor system and all that, but it's basically the same principle. You have a master cylinder and you have 4 auxiliary cylinders on this truck, so it's pretty much the same thing. In the description below I'm going to leave a link for places where you can find parts for this truck, but it's a basic system. So I'm going to show you where the master cylinder is at and where also the bleeders and the auxiliary cylinders are located. Let's go. Let's do it. So the master cylinder is right there below the driver's side by the steering column, and it's right there. There's 3 bolts holding it together, and there's 2 brake lines going to it underneath. So basically you cannot really see the three bolts from here. Well, there's 2. You just gotta take those bolts off and take the pin right there, take the pin off and detach it from the pedal mechanism. It's quite simple really. And then there's 2 brake lines on the bottom that you need to undo as well, and just a little sensor right there for fluid. That's basically it. Just get that off and you'll be able to pull it off. You gotta do it through the bottom though, and then you should be able to pull it off and take it apart and clean it. There's a clip on at the base of the push rod. You just got to remove the boot and you'll be able to take that clip off, and then the cylinder should come apart. And just pay attention to the way you take it apart. If you want, just put all the pieces like you can see in this picture together like that, and take a picture so you can remember how it goes. Just use water to clean it though. Now as to the auxiliary cylinders, this truck is it actually has brake shoes, but as you can see right there, that is your auxiliary cylinder bleeder. All you gotta do is use a 10mm socket, 1/4 inch drive preferably. Be careful because sometimes they're rusty. Counterclockwise, you break it loose, pop the brake 5 times, have somebody pop in the brakes and then hold it in. At the 5th time, just hold it in and then open that bleeder and the air should come out. Once the air comes out, and just close it. Do it twice per side and that should do the trick. So basically what it is you're gonna have somebody pumping the brake 5 times and then hold it in, and once the person is holding it, while he's holding it, you just open that bleeder right here. Open the bleeder, which is that right there, counterclockwise, crack it open, and then let the fluid and air come out. And once you see, usually I do it twice, and by the 2nd time there is only fluid coming out, no air. But if you see that there's more, just do it until the air stops. Make sure you don't run out of brake fluid, which means you're gonna have to be checking the level in the brake fluid master cylinder while you do this in all the 4 tires. But this is the basic thing. It's the same thing in all 4, and this is how you do it. Once you have bled all 4 tires, you're gonna see that there's pressure on the pedal. Remember, this is just a hydraulic system. It's not servo assisted, meaning that it uses no vacuum like the new cars did in the past. Now we move into electrical systems, but pretty much it's the same thing. What I'm trying to say is that it's not gonna be super hard like the new cars, you know, and it's an old vehicle, so you gotta understand that. But that's pretty much all it is to it. Really is nothing too complicated. So this is how you do it. All right, folks, there you have it. Stude Baker 1947. It's pretty much the same from 47 and up, same system. So if you find the content of this channel good and beneficial, but just, you know, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, so as we put more videos regarding how to fix things. You know, that's pretty much our channel, just about telling you how to fix things. You know, we do all kinds of things here. We do all kind of machinery and equipment. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check on our playlist for more stuff that you might want trying to fix. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Soon we're going to be talking about more stuff. Thank you. Bye.